Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Info and Learn. In this video, we will write 8 lines essay on my country, that is Pakistan. So let's start the video. First point is my country name is Pakistan. Second point is it came into being on 14th August 1947. Third point is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. Fourth point is Pakistan has four provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Pakistan is known for its natural beauty, rich culture, and traditions. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu, and the national dress is shalwar kameez. The people of Pakistan are kind, hardworking, and brave. And the last point is I love my country, Pakistan, very much. Thanks for watching.